These are the top 30 Cyber Monday tool deals that you're going to find anywhere. And if you stick around, I've got 5 that are under $25 that'll blow your mind. If you'd like to check out any of these tool deals, check the links in the description and that pinned comment. Probably the easiest way to find those. And if you're watching on TV, scan the QR code with your phone, take you directly to a list of all of these deals. Well, let's go. First on the list, probably one of the craziest deals I've seen in a long time. Buy one, get one free on Jet parallel clamps. These Jet parallel clamps don't go this low very often. They're discounted, plus you get a free one when you buy the same size. So if you buy a 24-inch, you're going to get a 24-inch free. That 24-inch clamp is almost as close to the price of a Bremen parallel clamp at Harbor Freight, which is usually about $35 a piece. Right now you can get these just under $40 a piece. Absolutely insane. And they go from 12, 24, 31, and 40-inch clamps. Good deal here. Next up, one of the best-selling power tool, well, it is the best-selling drill or power tool on Amazon right now. This is a DeWalt Drill and Impact for only $129. This usually sells for about $149. I bought this yesterday because I want to see how good this is. I think this is going to be the perfect around-the-house drill and impact, and for $129, it's hard to beat. If you're a Milwaukee fan, you can't pass this deal up if you don't have the installation driver or you've been thinking about it. I've had this for a while. Absolutely great deal here at $159 only. This is discounted by $320. You're getting the battery, the charger, and that installation driver. This is a smoking good deal that's only going to last today only. December 1st, 2025, Cyber Monday. So if you want it, you better get it. Or if you're a DeWalt fan, this is also today only. DeWalt's XR Power Detect 20-volt drill. This thing is a beast. It does have that anti-rotation, so if it does twist, it'll shut the motor off. This comes with an 8 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, plus the fast charger and those drill and impact, plus carry bag. For only $269, you're saving $130 off today only. Next, if you buy any of these drills, you're going to need a bit kit. This is a 100-piece DeWalt Elite Series impact driver bit set. $15 off all the way down to $29 today only. Before we get to the rest of these deals, I've got a huge list that you should check out after this video. Go to 731woodworks.com. Click on that Black Friday tool deal post right there. It's going to take you into a list of over 400 tool deals. And we're keeping this updated throughout the day today, so you want to check this list. For about anything you're looking for, you're going to find a deal on it here. 731woodworks.com. Next, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel barrel grip jigsaw with a battery and a charger. It's only $159. You're going to save $310 off. This is today only. Or one of my favorite little sanders that I've ever bought is the Milwaukee 3-inch sander. Also $159. Also today only. You're going to save $350 off this combo, and you're getting that battery and charger with it. If you don't have this, even if you're not in the Milwaukee platform, this is a nice little pickup. Milwaukee track saw fans, I got 2 Milwaukee track saw deals. This is the first one. This is saving $240 off. You're getting a 5 amp hour battery plus that Milwaukee track saw for only $349, saving $240 off today only. I'll show you the other Milwaukee track saw deal in a minute because it's grouped in some other deals. This though is a fantastic deal. This is a DeWalt. 2 5 amp hour batteries plus a charger, and you get 2 free select bare tools. What you got to do though is when you get to this page, you're going to click choose your gifts. You want to deselect any tool that you don't want. They pre-select 2. I recommend the router, but there's also others here to choose from, and we're talking about quite a few here. So you want to look through and make sure you get the tools that you want, but you can get 2 free tools with this kit for only $299. Or if you're a Milwaukee fan, you can get this kit. This is 2 6 amp hour batteries plus a free bare tool. And of course, this router is included on this deal, and I love that router. I think this is the best trim router that is made. I love that thing. This was $179 all the way down to $104 for Cyber Monday. This is a DeWalt tire inflator, portable air compressor. This is powered 3 different ways. You can use your 20-volt batteries, you can use a 12-volt like your car plug-in, or you can use 110 volts. So it's multi-use here. Even if you're not in the DeWalt platform, this might be worth picking up just to air up some tires. If you're a Milwaukee fan, today only, you can save up to 55% off select power tool kits. Right now, this goes off at midnight, and there's a ton here to choose from. So if you're looking to add some stuff to your Milwaukee platform, or if you've never been there and you're kind of thinking about getting into Milwaukee M12 or M18, there is a lot of tools here to choose from. This is linked in the description, the pinned comment, of course, the QR code if you want to check any of these out. There's also some outdoor power tool deals on this as well. Ridgid fans, if you're looking to pick up this router, right now you can get this router with 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger all the way down to $258, saving you $198, and that is today only. I think this is the best table saw under $300 right now. It's only $279, retail $329. I just bought this. It's literally sitting right here. I just bought this to re-review it. This is the best, in my opinion, budget level table saw that you can absolutely buy. Rack and pinion fence, absolutely dead accurate and plenty of power to do what you want. $279, this is a steal. If you're looking for some woodworking plans or board butter or even a way to track your business and sales and customers, we have that on our website. Last day of this sale, BF2025 is the code to save 30% off anything, including woodworking plan bundles, which were already discounted up to 23% off. Plus, you get that extra 30% off with the code 731woodworks.com/store. There's a very large Cyber Monday sale going on right now. You can save 12% off multiple items. There's like 68,000 items here to choose from. I'm going to show you some of the best, but you use the code CYBER2025 to save. That Bosch reconditioned 6-inch sander right there, we're going to check that out. This is $229 plus you get 12% off of that. This is a fantastic sander that I compare to a Festool Rotex, and at this price, $229 minus 12%, this is a screaming good deal. It is reconditioned, but it does come with a 1-year warranty. The Milwaukee M12 6-inch sanders, some of the smoothest sanders I've ever used. They have both styles here, the 3/32 and the 3/16 stroke, on sale for 12% off as well. I don't know that I've seen very many Mirka deals. I'm probably going to buy this. This is also 12% off, but it was already discounted 8%, and then you're going to save 12% on top of that. This is a 6-inch or 150 millimeter Mirka D-Rose 650X. Or if you've been thinking about picking up a Makita or an upgraded miter saw, right now you can save 12% off the very popular Makita 10-inch dual bevel compound sliding miter saw with the laser. Was $799. You're going to save 12% off of that with that code CYBER2025. All these CYBER2025 deals end tonight at midnight. You can also save 12% off the very beloved by me Milwaukee M18 router. If you didn't pick up the kit with the 2 batteries and the charger and the free tool, you can save 12% off of this right now. It was $199, saving that 12% off after the code. And then I told you I had another Milwaukee track saw deal. This is it. This is a complete combo kit. This is the one I bought several years ago, like 3 years ago now. Milwaukee M18 6.5-inch plunge saw kit with the pack out, the battery, and the charger, plus that saw. You're getting 12% off. This is a very good deal here with that code CYBER2025. If you need a MIG welder, you've been thinking about doing some MIG welding or just want to add one to your shop, this is the Yes Welder MIG welder, 110 volt. This is like $95. Was it like $149? This is the #1 selling MIG welder on Amazon right now, only 94 bucks. A lot of people are buying these, and it's highly rated. I love me some bench cookies. I think they're one of the best accessories made for the workbench. Right now you can get this complete master kit on sale for 29% off. It was $69.99 all the way down to $49.99. But there is a smaller kit if you don't need this master kit, but these do include those risers and those paint cones, which I find very useful. This is a very sneaky good deal. You can save up to 15% off either Jet or Powermatic tools. And what's really sneaky here is these have free shipping. In other words, you're not going to have to pay for freight shipping, which sometimes can cost up to $250 to $275 depending on the carrier. And there's a bunch to choose from bandsaws and dust collectors, drum sanders, drill presses, jointers, planers, like anything that you're going to need that's bigger tools for the shop is probably on this sale. $160 off this Dust Right full-size air filtration unit. I have one right up here from Laguna. They absolutely make a huge difference in cleaning your air to keep that fine dust out of the air. This is $160 off right now. I think this ends today, but I'm not 100% sure about that. And one of the most popular deals we've sent out in our deals email, you should sign up. First link in the description. We send out a tool deal email every single day to help you save the most money possible. This right now is 30% off. Was $99.99 all the way down to $69.99, and you can joint with this too. So a jointing jig / tapering jig. It's really nice to have. All right, these are the top 5 deals under $25 that I promised. First up, this Irwin Quick Grip 4-piece set. These are a 6-inch set of clamps. They're all the way down to $18.90-something. This is a screaming good deal. I have several of these in the shop, and they're really nice, and they work well. And for this price, why not? Next up, a spring-loaded hole punch. It's only like $11 and change, right at $12. These are really nice if you're drilling a hole and you need to basically set where that hole is going to be. I use these all the time to set that hole, and then your drill bit doesn't walk around on you. These are extremely handy to have, and for $12 is one of those, just might as well put it in the car. All right, here's that other bench cookie deal. Right now, 50% off. You get a 4-pack of these for only $8.99. They were $17.99. If I'm you, I pick up 2 sets because if you're cutting full sheets of plywood, that's a great way to get it all up off the table and make those cuts. And for $8.99, you might as well pick up 2 because you're getting basically 2 for the price of 1 right now. And if you don't like getting glue all over everything, these nice little project mats, this is a 15-inch by 30-inch, 34% off, only $23.09, and the glue just peels right up off of these when they're dry. It's a nice little project mat. Next up, the #1 selling handsaw on Amazon right now is this Japanese handsaw. It's only like $12 on sale. It was like $25 and change. You get a 14 teeth per inch on one side and a 17 on one side. Like 8,000 of these were sold in the last month. These are viral deals right now, and at this price, you got to get one if you don't have one, of course. We don't want you to miss a single tool deal this year, so go to my website, 731woodworks.com, click on those tool deals button. It's going to open my tool deals page. You can sign up for my daily deal email right there on top, but we have tons and tons of deals that we're posting here every single day, not just on Black Friday, not just on Cyber Monday. We want you to save money, so that's why we created this page, and we keep it updated throughout the week, throughout the day. Go check us out, and of course, don't forget that Cyber Monday Tool Deals post where there's over 400 deals for you to go through. Make sure you get the deal that you're looking for. If you missed the Black Friday Tool Deals video, you got to go check it out. Almost all of those deals are still active through today. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist bump. Seriously, you don't want to miss those. Go check it out.